vinyl wrap this wheel. Wrap this wheel this way. So I put two big strips, just stripped it around, stretched it, and taped it. This is the better side, only 2 seams. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, 1 seam there, 1 seam there. So 2 pieces on this side. So this is the better side. And this was my first test, so got 4 seams. 4 different seams. One right there, 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 there. So not very professional, but so I also scratched it by accident. Should be this side, yeah, right there. So you can see a little abrasion there. So I heard that this was doing it with the wheel off this is the worst because you can jack up your vinyl. So just a quick test. I wanted to put that to the test. So we shall see.
Should read this well beforehand, so I gotta edit this video. I don't know if this is going to interfere with the bead at all as well.
So what I think I'm gonna do is I am going to put it on the chain side first, being that this is the ugly side anyway. And when the bike is tilted, it won't be as pronounced and clean as this side. So at least that's my idea. Little lube here. No need to speculate what this is for, but it's just a little lube, water-based lube. All right, let's make it do what it do. Okay, this should be the easy side anyway. That's one. It's time to get out the old tire irons. Okay. Little bites. Little bites is what they say.
Nice and easily. Nice and carefully. Okay. This one can... Believe it or not, I am trying to be super cautious with this rim. just little bites. Change plans. Do this side first. Well, maybe not first, but take a little bite this one in first. Yep. Keep that there. Take this one. Oh. Hey, boys. Can one of you come here, please? Living room. So, looks like I have to call in the backup.
We're doing it in here.
I know. I'm recording too, so welcome to YouTube. All right, hold this one down. Let's see. And I should be able to. Actually, can you hold both? There we go. Come on. Saved it. 1, 2, 3. All right. Tires on, but still have the moment of truth, which is, did it damage the vinyl? Let's see. Got some scuff marks. Am I looking good on the camera? We do have some scuff marks. Ooh, using some heavy ones.
Hey, Brad, I got some acetone downstairs. It's right downstairs where I was working before. And not in the garage, but in the basement. You'll see, it's like the nail polish remover.
So, it looks pretty darn good. Give me a napkin too. Grazie. So it looks pretty good. So brand new, well obviously brand new vinyl, brand new wheel. I guess the question is, will it hold up? Will it hold up if... Okay. Ooh. Yeah, that's acetone, all right. Acetone seems to be doing a decent job taking it off. The vinyl. This is fresh vinyl too. I literally just... Well, actually, this side isn't fresh. This side is... Oh, wow. Yeah, that acetone is really doing the job. Let's see. Yep. Yep, that's taking it off nicely. So, oh, crap. Oh, jeez. Freaking spilled the whole thing. Almost. So, if you ever wanted to wrap your rims before putting on the tire and do it yourself. Ooh, shoot, shouldn't have did that part. That's the part that got frayed. You can do it. It is possible. Looks like anyway, with no issues. Let's see. Let's see. Again, that was frayed before. When I was acting stupid and put it on the ground and drug it. But other than that, it's looking pretty darn good. All right, thanks, buddy. Unless you want to continue watching, but it's all good.
No problem.
Alrighty. Thanks for watching, folks. Hopefully this helped you out a little bit. All right. Peace. Other side looks good too. Hoorah.